guys, welcome back to my channel. So अगर आप मेरे channel पर new हो then let me tell you, my name is Chandni and I create videos on beauty, makeup, fashion and things like that. So in case you love to see all these kind of content now, then please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell button just beside, so that you can always get notified whenever I, your friend, upload anything new. Also, I am extremely active on shorts as well, so make sure you check out my shorts feed as well. So guys, talking about today's video, let me tell you, this is going to be a very interesting and very fun video, because I'm going to share with you something that I actually relate with and something that I have been using since past few days, and I have seen I have actually seen a genuine good result. So that is exactly why I'm going to share this hero ingredient, or you can say hero product range, with you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, as I told you earlier, this video is going to be very revolutionary for people who are looking out for ways to treat their dark spots and also uneven skin tone and all that. Okay, so yes guys, this is possible. Wondering how it is possible? By a beautiful ingredient, that is glycolic acid. I'm sure you must have heard about it before. In case you haven't, let me tell you that me being a beauty blogger, I always come across every there are so many ingredients these days in market, right? Vitamin C, hyaluronic, niacinamide, salicylic, lactic acid, and there are so many, right? So one of them has to be glycolic acid, which is wonderful. And when I say wonderful, I literally mean it, because it just provides so much good to your skin, you guys, and especially if you have dark spots and all that, this is going to be a hero ingredient for you. And I had quite a issue of thoda sa like this dark spots and all that since quite a long time. Like it's been 3 to 4 years that I have some darkness out here, like not my whole face but somewhere around here. Like I had few spots, okay, I had few patches of dark spots and all that on my skin, and I used to be very I used to be very perplexed basically, that what should I use and what not, because I keep on telling people that use that, use this, but I myself was very confused what to use. But finally I came across the product, I mean it, okay. So yeah, so I am talking about the newly launched Loreal Paris brightening range, guys. This range comes it has got 4 products basically, and the hero product I would say is the serum for me. All the 4 products are wonderful. I have them with me. I'm gonna show you each and every product, but the hero product for me has to be the serum, because serum is the most potent skincare product, I would say. It just stays on your skin for the longest, I would say. Like it just gets inside your skin, right? So glycolic acid, it's basically one of the smallest molecule of AHA sort of a thing. I'm sure you must know what is AHA. AHA is Alpha Hydroxy Acid, okay. So these are like AHAs which gently exfoliates your skin, and glycolic acid works on 2 levels. Firstly, it works like in the inside level, okay. It just penetrates inside your skin and just works on your melanin buildup, okay. It just cells by cells now, it just tries to lessen that, okay. It takes its good sweet time. I won't say I'm not gonna give you fake things like you put it today and tomorrow your skin will be ekdam clear. No, that's very wrong and very false, okay. I am telling you, it takes 2 weeks, okay, because I have also taken the 2 weeks challenge and I could see actually a difference in my skin. So yes, I'm gonna say you, it will take 2 days, but you will actually feel the difference. So firstly, it works on the deep inside level, as I told you earlier. It works on the melanin buildup and just here's the cells one by one. And secondly, it also works on the outside level of our skin. It just makes sure that there's no dirt and all that. It just kindly mildly also exfoliates our skin. So talking about it, it's a great product, you guys. I really loved it, and it has actually made a lot of difference in my skin. Also guys, this ingredient is used almost everywhere internationally for acne scars and dark spots and all that. And when L'Oreal came out with this new launch, I was supremely excited, not only about the ingredient but because it is coming from L'Oreal Paris. That itself is most beautiful international brand that actually makes products which has something, you know, scientific behind it. So I really was supremely excited to try it. So guys, firstly you see they have got a face wash in this range. Okay, I really love how beautiful and you know how chromatic kind of a look it has. Okay, it has basically, it is, you know, dual colored, I would say. Okay, you can see how beautiful it is, and secondly it comes with a serum which is very beautiful. Okay, so this is a 15 ml wala serum which I have been using. Okay, it's almost half now, and you know what guys, this retails just for rupees 399. Okay, and for a product and for an ingredient like, you know, glycolic acid, I would say it's a very affordable rate. It's not, you know, very high-end sort of it's very affordable for our skin, I would say, because you know this is a 15 ml ka package. You also get a 30 ml ka package. Okay, and that is for rupees 750 or something if I'm not wrong. So as a trial now, I would say first you should definitely try this, because I also tried the small version first. Okay, so yeah, this is how the packaging looks like. You can see it's very dual colored, looks super luxurious, like literally very luxe, very super luxurious. Okay, so this is the 1% glycolic acid serum. Now you know this can be used both day and night before moisturizer, of course. So you know you can see the texture is very beautiful and the smell is to die for. Like trust me, the smell is so beautiful, you are gonna love it. Okay, it's very lightweight, it's just gonna soak in your skin so beautifully, you know, no stickiness, nothing. It just works so beautifully on your skin, guys. And you know, dermatologists always say this, that whenever you use now a glycolic acid ka base product, now you should always top it up with some SPF. Okay,
so L'Oreal Paris has got you covered in that.
Which has got SPF 17, which is a very fair amount of SPF in it. Okay, so you can see again the bottle and the, you know, packaging is super luxurious. You can see it's very nice. I freaking love it. Okay, so you know, it just makes sure that your skin looks very radiant. Okay, and also you can see it's not sticky at all, it's perfect, and the smell again is to die for. So guys, last but not the least, the last product we have from this range is their night cream, which is beautiful again. So you know, this is exactly like, you know, both the packaging is like kind of same. Now this is the glowing cream night. Okay, like night cream basically, and this should always be used on your face as well as your neck, because your neck tends to show the you know, aging and all na sabse pehle. So yeah, it's really important, and you can see the texture is very lightweight. It's just like a, you know, night mask. You can see it's very nice, guys, very hydrating, I would say, and perfect for acne, scars, and also if you have got dark spots. Now you can see, and also there was a clear difference in my skin when I took the 2 weeks challenge with L'Oreal Paris. You can see the difference clearly. Okay, it actually made a difference on my skin. So yes, I would highly recommend these products to you guys. All the purchase links are there in the description box below, and it says that, you know, it can actually reduce your 5 years ka dark spots within 2 weeks, and it is actually true, because I had these kind of dark spots in so long. Like I remember even my school days mein I had this, but I can actually see decreasing. Now I can actually see that these spots are decreasing. And also, if you already see a difference in your skin now, don't stop using this. Why? Because you know, dark spots happen every day, because we actually, you know, face the sun and everything, the UV rays and all that. This is something daily kana. So make sure you don't stop it and you keep using it for your skin to be healthy forever. So with that, I would end this video, guys. I hope it was helpful and you pretty much liked it. In case you did, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the bell button, and every freaking button in the world. So yeah, with that, see you next time. Bye.